Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. Nicepage is a website builder that offers a unique approach to web design. It utilizes a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy for users to create visually appealing websites without any coding knowledge. A standout feature of Nicepage is its extensive library of pre-designed blocks and templates. This allows users to quickly assemble a website by choosing and customizing pre-built sections. These blocks range from simple text and image elements to more complex structures like galleries, forms, and pricing tables. The platform also boasts a good selection of responsive designs, ensuring that your website looks great on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Beyond the drag-and-drop functionality, Nicepage offers more advanced customization options. Users can fine-tune the styling of their website, including fonts, colors, and spacing. The platform also integrates with popular content management systems, CMS, like WordPress and Joomla, allowing for seamless publishing. For those comfortable working with HTML and CSS, Nicepage provides the option to edit the code directly, giving you complete control over the final product. Another key feature is the ability to export your website as HTML, allowing you to host it on any web server. While Nicepage is primarily marketed as a website builder, it also includes tools for creating other marketing materials. Users can design social media graphics, presentations, and even logos, all within the same platform. This integrated approach simplifies the process of creating a consistent brand identity across different channels. Nicepage offers both free and paid plans. The free plan provides access to a limited set of features and templates, while the paid plans unlock more advanced functionalities and a wider range of design assets. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web designer, Nicepage offers a comprehensive set of tools for creating stunning websites and other marketing materials. It's definitely worth exploring if you're looking for a user-friendly yet powerful platform to build your online presence.